Want to know how fast homes are selling in our area here on the Florida Suncoast so you know what to expect from your own move? I've got you covered. Check this out. This graph shows the median days on market for our area on the Florida Suncoast. Basically, that's how fast homes are selling from the initial listing all the way to the closing date. Not to contract, but till closing. Looking at the data for the median days on the market at IRB, Madeira, Inland, Seminole, we see that homes have been selling faster as 2023 progressed, especially around the summer months, of course. By July, they were taking less time to sell than at the start of the year, with this quicker selling pace continuing into September. However, the year is over. Last couple of months, we noticed a bit of a shift with homes staying on the market a lot longer in November and then December, January as well. It's important to keep this in mind if you're planning to buy or sell soon, as timing can be a factor, whether you're selling or making offers. If you're thinking of buying or selling, or you have any questions about what this means for you, don't hesitate to reach out. We've helped a ton of people find their dream home on or near the beach. You can shop at MrBeachHouse.com or, of course, call me anytime at 855-MR-BEACH.